first time we bought the dog, not bought actually, this was a story of adoption. So I know Priyamvada sent me the pic of the puppies, these two puppies were available. Till then we were thinking, okay, I should get a dog for Varun, but this was a double bonanza for us. Like I was there and I got Julie as well. The first day when we went to get them, that was scary. We were like wondering if we are ready for the responsibilities. We're going to have two new puppies. Never had anyone before in our lives. But we made it to there. And I think so the moment we saw them, our hearts melted.
So it's all about, I think, the lockdown. I mean, as you know, that we all were stuck in the house from bedroom to hall to bedroom. And I think somebody said that if life is not happening good, you need to get a dog. And that's how, and I've been a dog lover from childhood. I had a couple of dogs. And I've always been telling my wife, Priyamvada, let's have a dog, let's get a dog. And somewhere things were not matching up. Somewhere she had her concern कि dog को कैसे छोड़ेंगे, कैसे देखभाल करेंगे, a lot of things. And one fine day, I think in Facebook, we were going through the adoption pages and there were a lot of puppies available. And somehow, I think Laika and Julie, it clicked us. And I think it was just a fraction of a second that we decided, okay, let's go for it. So immediately she connected with the owner who has posted about the puppies and all. And we tried understanding about the puppies. And we were a lot concerned also. कि मतलब हम पहली बार adoption के लिए ले रहे हैं, कैसे होगा, are they healthy or not, कुछ disease तो नहीं है, lot of things were there and we were a lot of confused as others are. So I believe once we connected with the owner, so she explained us the story that basically ये जो इनकी puppies है, इनकी mom का death हो चुका था, मतलब I think a car accident had happened.
Get the milk of their mother as well. So for quite some time, about 3 months, we kept them on the special food as well. So that's how they grew. And both of them come with a Laika is very allergic. Her skin is very allergic, and Julie has eye problem. She is temporarily blind in this eye, one of the eyes, this eyes. So she cannot see. If we do some action there, like partially blind she is. So yeah, that's their thing. And plus Julie has a lot of this fear of maybe losing someone. Maybe she saw how the life was on the streets and all. So that's the problem with Julie. And with Laika, there's a huge problem because I think that she did not get the proper milk of the mother, so she is allergic to everything. When we got her, this was the size of her tail. Like half of her tail was gone. Like I have photos of her where she does not have half the tail. This tail that you see is like that we have, like whatever food we have. हमारी मेहनत basically.
But I don't think so there's a single day after from the day we got the puppies, right? There's not a single day we wanted, like telling that, did I do the right thing? It was always the right thing.
So right now, the picture is changing, people are adopting. So how do you encourage more people right now? Because people are in this lockdown, they wanted, have a breed. And the prices also, they're paying premium price for the dogs. So how do you encourage other people to rescue all these little pups?
So I guess at this point of time, as our initiative of Vocal for Local is going on by the PM as well, and there is a special announcement that he did a few days back as well, for that you should adopt Indian puppies. I would suggest you please do not shop. Breeders breed, and then we have seen a lot of people, like lot of dogs in the rescue camps where they have utilized them to an extent that they are about to die, and then they throw those dogs in gutter. We have seen, like we go to a regular visit to our vets, and we have seen that in how bad condition people rescue these breeder dogs, and that's the thing. Please do not go for breeders. They are, I would say, what
The
is
mothers
that?
are not taken care of.
Yeah.
You might get a nice, cute-looking dog, but to get that
Yeah.
cute-looking dog, that a mother has actually been suffering a lot. It's,
And if you're
it's
a
I know
dog
it is
lover-
cute. Yeah, I agree, it is cute, but I'm not saying this is they are cute as well. And we got them for free, and we are doing nothing but happiness.
Yeah, just pick up them. And like, if you are a dog lover, then why you have to differentiate between a street dog or a dog who's from breed? Like, you can get a dog. That's all that you want from a dog, right? That you should that dog should be roaming around in your home, and that's all that you need. So whether it's an indie dog or whether it's a breeder dog, then please, like, that would satisfy your needs. So please go ahead and please do not buy. It is very bad for the bad side. That's the completely dark side of the world where how breeders treat the dogs. So please do not buy and only adopt. That's the only thing that we have to say.
And second thing is these are indie breeds. They are resilient
Yeah.
to Indian
Yes.
weather,
Climate.
and they live a lot healthier life than most of the
Yeah.
breeds. I mean, this is
And
always
because they
another
don't have any
advantage.
special needs.
Yeah, and they
You
are.
give them dal roti, what you are preparing for yourself, give them, they are way too happy.
Oh, this one's favorite is curd rice.
Curd rice.
Yeah.
She
Julie
was not
loves
like
banana.
Benedict.
They love banana, cucumber, and tomatoes.
Yeah, tomatoes.
So-
So you don't have to, kind of really invest on your dogs when it's an indie breed. So yeah,
Now
please
people
do.
invest a lot of money in the
Lot.
dog food.
Yeah, correct. Once in a while it's fine, but for an indie breed, you can whatever you are having, make a little more rice for them, with them curd. They love it, like it's finished in 1 second, literally in 1 second.
There are times when I just look back and apart from
They have
the
just
bowl
kept
and
their bowl
it's
and then
clean
it's
as if
clean.
like there was no food.
There was
given to
no
them.
food.
Okay, so last question. So, how your experience?
So
in
how was your
Africa?
experience?
Oh, this was
Oh,
the
it was
best
amazing.
experience.
Best
So
experience.
actually, when she told and that there was a grooming to be done, she was
Yeah.
very excited. I was like, bit skeptical, like, really? She's Julie, she's street dog. I'm like, that's what I say. She's my love of my life, but that's what I call her. But then I was like wondering, is it gonna be? And then today when I had it, I think I changed my mind completely.
Yeah,
Oh, this was.
completely. I was always in for like Pup and Tub. I saw you on one of my friends' page, Monish. I saw him there. His dog, along with his dog. So I saw you there, and then I had a word with you, and it was like nice. I read about you, your entire Instagram, that how you both are dog lovers and how you did not want to be in the traditional way of this. That's why I asked you that do you keep the dogs as well, day boarding sort of thing. So you just let them be how they are. So that's an amazing part of Pup and Tub, and we really loved how you managed both of them. They
And
being
both
such
being shy
curious
and
dogs.
energetic.
Yeah.
Each of them being shy and energetic, how you get matches is amazing. I just love the way you guys.
So, how much you rate for us?
5.
If the rating is 5, it's 5. It's 100, I'm gonna give 100. If it's 200, you're gonna give the max. Maybe even more than like you can draw one more star like this.
Yeah.
And give that.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Because to manage this one
Yeah.
is I know the pain of it.
And Laika's nail, you did not even budge a single.
Yeah.
The groomer got so many marks, and you did not even say a single word. Otherwise, I don't know how other people read, but yeah, here it was all like it's first time it happens. It's all like that, so it's very happy for us.
Thank you so much.
Thank
So,
you.
just
Thank
time
you.
about this.